In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap, overflow, or clip text in Google Sheets so your cells look clean and readable. If you've ever typed a long sentence into a cell and noticed it spilling across the next cell, disappearing behind a border, or making your sheet messy, this is for you. We're going to quickly fix it using the text wrapping tools built right into the toolbar. Start by selecting the cell or cells you want to fix. You can click a single cell, drag to highlight a range, or click the column letter at the top to select an entire column if many entries need the same treatment. Don't worry. Changing text wrapping won't change your data. It only affects how the text is displayed. Next, look at the top toolbar and find the text wrapping icon. It looks like a small curved arrow pointing between two vertical lines. Click that icon to open the wrapping options. Now choose Wrap, which is the middle icon. This is the most useful setting for long entries because the cell will expand vertically to show all of your text without spilling into neighboring cells. The column width stays the same, but the row height grows as needed. If you later adjust the column width, your wrapped text will reflow automatically to fit the new width. While we're here, it helps to understand all three wrapping modes so you can pick the right one each time. Overflow, the left option, lets text spill into the next cell, but only if that neighboring cell is empty. If the next cell has content, you'll see only what fits in the original cell. This is handy for quick labels when you don't mind text stretching across empty space. Wrap, the middle option you just chose, makes the cell grow vertically so every word stays visible within the cell's borders. Ideal for notes, descriptions, or multi-line entries you need to read at a glance. Clip, the right option, cuts off text at the cell's right edge. The full content is still there. It's just hidden from view unless you widen the column or select the cell to read it in the formula bar. Clip is great when you need uniform row heights and a tight layout. That's it. Select your cells, click the text wrapping icon in the toolbar, and pick Wrap to keep everything neat and readable. With these options in mind, you can control exactly how text behaves and keep your spreadsheet clear, organized, and easy to scan.